So since we have now read that article called Uneven Heating on page 95 through 98, and that goes along with part 1 of our investigation 4, you're going to go to your website, you're going to open it up. To navigate, you're going to go to the pages. You know, you've got insert, you've got pages, you've got themes. Go to the one that shows your pages. We're in investigation 4, so you'll open that up, and we're in part 1 called Heating the Earth. Okay? It might get a little confusing because all of these web pages look the same right now, right? They're all just the same template that you're going to fill in. This is going to be the first one that we're going to change. We have not, the driving question, I should have showed you this before. Our driving question is this. What is the effect of sunlight on Earth's materials? Go ahead and write that down right now so you have it for later when you do this. Since I'm already doing something digital, I'm just going to copy and paste it. What is the effect of sunlight on Earth materials? So you're going to take that and you're going to plug it in right here. My driving question is now done. What is the effect of sunlight on Earth materials? We haven't done an activity, so we don't have anything to write about. We don't have any pictures to show about that. But if I scroll down, past the what I learned, past the self-reflection, because we're not done yet, I'm going to the Foss Science textbook. And so in this section, it says, replace this text with the name of the Foss textbook article that was read. The name of this article is, what was it? Uneven heating?
Yeah.
Uneven heating. And I'll probably put down page 95, because again, this website is meant to help you later too, so you could go back to this for something as we're studying for a test. What I learned, or what the main concept is. What do you think the main concept was in those 4 pages that we read? Yeah.
To learn what heats up faster.
What's that?
To learn what heats up faster and slower.
Okay, so we could say when light from the sun hits the earth, it hits different things like solids, rocks, soil, water. You could talk about how if it's a darker color it absorbs more, things like that. Some of the main concepts there. You'd add that right here. And then in the discussion questions, you'll notice there are 3, is it 3? I think there's 3 discussion questions on the bottom page 98. The first one is, what causes Earth's surface to heat up? So instead of just answering that, I'm actually going to rewrite the question. What causes Earth's surface to heat up? And then I'm going to answer it. The reason, ... For me, I'm probably, I like doing this where I kind of make that bold, and then I answer the question. And then I go on to number 2. Number 2 says, what are some of the variables that cause uneven heating? So you're going to copy that question. What are some of the variables? Do you finish that question? And then you answer it. Does that make sense? Any questions with what we're doing here? I think if we were to just do this and you hand this in as an assignment, you're never going to look at it again. But I think if we put it on our website and have good rationale for what we just learned, it takes us a little longer to explain that, makes you think about it longer, and then you have something to go back to. Okay.
What's the question that we had to copy on? The question.
Oh, the main driving question? Main driving question, what is the effect of sunlight on Earth materials? So I'm going to put this on Google Classroom and say on Investigation 4, Part 1 of your website, I want you to finish the driving question, and I want you to finish the textbook portion. Good? Margaret?
Do you want to put the pages that pulled in?
Yeah, I did that with I did the starting page. I put page 95. If you want to write page 95 to 98, that's fine. But yeah, you should put those pages so that you can go back to it. All right, I think we don't have time to do that now, so you can close that up, but that'll be your assignment for tomorrow.